it's gorgeous. What is beautiful. Jeez, wow.
Do you want to see what your old housing looked like?
Yeah. Matt. Oh my god. Rex, how
Padraic,
you doing?
how you doing?
Yeah, I go for the dark black one, if that's it.
That's okay. Yeah.
See you at 12.
Okay, half 12.
Thanks
Okay,
very much.
100%.
I
Okay,
appreciate it.
see you guys. Battery's done, housing's done, nothing more to worry about.
Saved me the price of buying a new phone, and you know,
Effectively.
and it's still a good phone.
Yeah, it's still a good phone.
I
Like,
highly recommend you.
I really appreciate that.
Thank
I
you,
really
thank you
appreciate
very much.
it. Anytime. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.